After downloading a video from IBMS software, the Hikvision IBMS 4200 software, if you cannot find the location of downloaded video, you can go to the system configuration, then file. This is the location of the downloaded video you can find. The default is this folder. You can click here and you can find the location of the video, downloaded video. And if you want to change this video downloading path, you can select any folder like this one and select folder. The folder location will be changed and the downloaded video will be saved in this location. Thank you.